Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can recover the deleted mobile apps. For that, just go to the Play Store of your phone and then on the top right corner you can see the profile icon. Just tap on it. Here you will see manage apps and device option. Just tap on it. Then tap on the manage option. Again, tap on the install option. Here you will see install and not install option. Tap on it. Here you will get to see the apps you had deleted recently. Just choose any one of the app you want to recover again, and once you tap on it, then you will see the download option on the top right corner, the download option, and then it will be installed. This was it, guys. If you find this video useful, then just don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.